Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on the Warface game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in pc.wfclutch.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official Warface website. Now from the homepage, click on the login button at the top right corner if you haven't done so already in order to proceed forward to change your password. After logging in, just hover over to My Profile at the top right and then click on Account Settings. Within the Account Settings page, you will see the Change Password button. Go ahead and click on it. And now this will take you into your edit page for your personal information. Within this page, you will see your password. Go ahead and click on the Change button. And now you will be asked to enter the email address or phone number that you use for signing up. Enter this email address or phone number to confirm your identity and then click on the Next button. You will then be asked to enter a security code that has been sent to your email. So just check your inbox and you will find this code. Enter this code within the given box. Click on the Next button. You will now be allowed to enter a new password for your account. Type in your desired new password within the new password box and then enter it once again for confirmation. And after entering this new password twice, click on the Next button. And now this will reset your password and change it to whatever you just set. That is how easy it is to change your password on your Warface game account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.